Hi, let me show you how you can gather some test insights using SystemLink. Let's deep dive into the demo. In here, what I have is a TestStand sequence that I'm running on a specific tester that is actually connected to SystemLink. As you can see, I have a sequence that is testing a specific mobile device test. It is running a set of tests in different types of languages, and I can see in here that this test sequence just passed. TestStand has a direct integration with SystemLink. So configuring it to upload information is as easy as just going into my results processing and selecting in here within the advanced tab that I want to upload all of this information leveraging my SystemLink Test Monitor client. In here, I can decide the type of information that I want to upload, including if I want to upload the report files or enable system status tags. I'm going to click OK, and let's actually see all of that information from SystemLink. Now, what you can see in here is my SystemLink web app. Within my Test Insights window, I can take a look at all of the devices that I am testing in my entire lab. We just saw that I ran a mobile device test. So let's take a deep dive into it. I can take a look at that specific product and see all of the tests that have been run. I can see that I ran 3 specific tests with 3 specific serial numbers. I can take a look at when they started, when they finished, and what was their status, whether they passed or failed. I can take a deep dive into that specific test sequence and see the results live, just as they're happening. I can see all of the devices and the sequences that passed and failed, and I can even see and monitor some of the results. In here, we can see a battery voltage test with a measurement of 3.7, which is within my range. I can preview all of that data, as you can see on the screen, and I can also take a look at the specific files that were created. If I created a report, for example, I can see that report in an HTML or XML view, or even a TDMS file. I also have out-of-the-box reports that allow me to gather insights from my entire lab. Let's take a look at one of them. I can see in this dashboard all of the tests that I've run in the past. Right now, I've run over 3,000 tests, and most of them have passed 2.78K. I can see which ones have failed, which ones ran with errors, which ones were terminated. And I can also get some cool information on my first pass yield and throughput. This is just a little bit of what you can do with SystemLink. You can sort and view different files. You can trace all of the information by specific DUT if you need to. So I can filter all of my results by DUT, by serial number, and all of that is possible because of the open APIs. That includes APIs for LabVIEW, for Python, .NET, and HTTP. And of course, LabVIEW integration with TestStand, FlexLogger, and all of the rest of the LabVIEW Plus suite. Thank you for watching.